Hi, this is Everton Blender, and you're listening to the Young Police Channel. Lift up your head and hold it up, high. We know that we'll win the prize. Everton Blender says so.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so as we continue the journey, with this series, it's part 3 of a 4-part series, of this conversation that we have with this brother, this Jamaican man, who was deported from England. It's not every deportee in Jamaica a criminal. You have to understand. Some people migrate because they wanted a better life. I just saw it going them thing because Jamaica, really, trust me, I want tough place on them thing. Jamaica is not ordinary place. And even, honestly, I tell you, if you live in Jamaica, it's very expensive. Whether or not you want to believe it. No matter how which government in power, Jamaica does tough. And whether or not Jamaica is more expensive than the United States of America. Because anytime I come to Jamaica and spend a week, the amount of money that I spend there for the week, I don't spend that in a month in America. I tell you that straight. You talk by food and all of these things. Jamaica is very expensive. So the Jamaican people are very resilient. And whether or not you want to believe it, the government now have no control over prices. But dummies we say all kind of things and tell you this and that. But the government now don't have any control over it. They don't think the government has control over it, like the rule of law. But some of the politicians, them not that, them feel the criminals. So this is part 3 of our 4-part series. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. So remember, just post your comments in at the bottom of the description box, and we just continue the journey. And the labor, them get to it, and I saw them go on TV off somebody going off fight. But PMP, them spin it around and say a labor bring Cuban ship there. All the labor and the Cuban them in a business when the two of them are enemy. Because so when Siaga do in 80, the brother when name Estrada, Siaga say he have to leave that Cuban ambassador. He have to leave, him give him 48 hours to come out of the country. Because Estrada, used to behave like him at the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Cuban,
Mr. Porter.
Yeah.
Our all of this station now. You see majority of people when they back in them days, them be dumb.
No, but them dumber now. Them dumber now.
No, why me say so? Alright. If, for instance, that them the set a man they go pull off a stunt, and then them the set a next set a man double cross them and I make it look like them do it. How the people them not see that?
We set a man. We set a man them do that.
I can't remember you tell me say go and come in for the PNP.
Yes, the M16 man shotgun and
yeah, and the labor right them here will go on and go thief some for themselves.
Yes.
And then manly make it look like
I labor
everything like you want to put the blame for the labor right them.
Yes.
So you say people them time them never have access to them the information we know what go on and quiet.
You have to understand them say them can't you have to understand them say them can't take. May I tell you now something about Eventide now? Eventide, may I show you that's why they don't like me, because to me, hey, look here, I am a different Jamaican, I don't believe in who's right. I believe in what is right. So that's why me have all people in my family when I like me. May I tell you that? May I tell you?
Man, you have to train, brother. You have to talk the truth.
I tell it, me have people in my family like me. I live when me a police, me have people in my family. Cousin me and I grew up and I go tell lie upon me and them thing. They got internal go tell lie upon me. Fear a gunman man. You understand what I'm saying? And the boy run away and that the boy the father a criminal from Waterhouse. The boy now the son that are my cousin's son, him a police now and them thing. I don't know if him a criminal like him pa. But me know say even him before him a police and them thing the boy him did involve in a criminality and them thing there, you understand? A Jamaica. Me don't know him, you know. Me not even know the boy too, you know, you understand? But show you this now, how them have the people them. You see Eventide, you know, is right beside Admiral Town Police Station, Calvary Cemetery, and Arnett Garden. 144 people them killing us. So them house up them, nail up the door them and the window them before them like the building on fire. Remember saying that man, them a concrete jungle, you know, and Johnson have M16 rifle and 9mm pistol. The man them a Tivoli and Rima have M14. You think say any man could have left from down there and come right there, sir? If you come nail up the building them, if you burn it down and kill the people them and them not meet no resistance.
Let them say the one do it, bro.
Alright, but look here now. You see next day, may I show you all the PMP, all them very masked, all them good. You see after the fire I see him there, you know, them start spreading in the community, you know, say I man them from Rima and Tivoli do it, you know. You know, say you have some people that say, some people go whisper and say, them things everybody are fooling, you know. We know say them do it, but you have to repeat it because you live in a community. If you don't do it, them see you as informer, you're a laborer, so you're dead. Because in a freedom lexicon, you know, once you're a laborer, you know, you're not a human being, you know, you're dead. Because some them do it, you know, terrorism. You know, so the next day, that I day after Eventide, you know, so the next day, people from Jonestown and Concrete down go down a parliament and start call Siaga murderer. Or them time we on a WhatsApp, we on a telephone. So all them did so coordinated for go down a parliament, for know say Siaga do it and them thing there. Because
I can't tell them to go do it, man.
Okay, so that may I tell you all them very good when they come on to propaganda. And the people them soak it up. If it wasn't for me, you know, Jamaican people would not know that it's not nothing for the Tivoli and Rima people them, you know. And even one of the man were involved in a killing. Fim son, you know, call me, you know. And he want to distance him father from it. But him knowledge say a man them from jungle and Jonestown kill people them there. But him want to, although him father did it, him want to say him father was an apartheid. And him call the man them name. Him say a George Pang and Tony Welch and all of them man there. You understand? So him want to say him father, although him father, a him father did shot Bob Marley, you know. When I man, but him want to say him father not involved. So all I hear is them, you know, them a tell the world, you know, say I the men them from Tivoli do it and Rima. You understand? And then them get even white people to come out to say I see I gotta do it and them thing. Me and you know on them thing. So you can't pay anybody. You have a thing when you pundit, you can't pay people to say anything. You understand? Guess what now? You see black people are so dumb that anything we are white remember say Marcus Garvey tell you that, you know. Anytime you want black people to believe anything, just use a white man to tell them. I saw them dumb. You never did know that.
Oh, I fuck that man. I know about every black, but I know about Jamaicans.
Most black people, then look for Baby Trump, Mark Golden. Mark Golden is born in Jamaica, and Jamaica no kill for him. But yet still, you know, when Edward Siaga, if you listen to politics, what you hear him say? That's why them say Sir P no a labor, you know, and them say boy me a Sir P upon labor at payroll. Because him a tell them say, you know, oh, so uno see him on attack say boy, uno like white man, but yet still you know have a white man now. But in charge of the party, uno don't even know which part the man born, because he can't show him birds of the day, because man a Jamaican. And so now them say Sir P a politics watch a labor right. Because him a tell them now have to eat Jamaican people, you know. Especially people them from the PMP criminal organization. They don't like to hear the truth, you know. They want to hear the comfortable lies to make them feel good. You understand?
Yes, we support that.
Hey, look here. Hey, look here. Me talk all the while, you know. I'm not care what no guy want to say, you know. Me talk to some people even the other day from Tower Hill, Compound and Falcon and Seaview. And them say, boy, them happy for you, me as a youth born and grow a PAP community if you speak truth and them thing. Because I talk all the while, you know, say, all of my ears are Unsby and them thing there, you know. Not one labourite ever shoot off of me in a Tower Hill, compound, or Falcom or Seaview. And the people them say, boy, any police will tell you, but I don't know after I left Unsby if any shooting happen up at Tower Hill with police and all them thing there, you understand what I'm saying? But they never shoot off of me and them thing there in a Unsby area. I PMP them always want to kill me. A 40 PMP people at 30 Walton Park Road 2 weeks before Ox Palmer and the other them killed Derek Spratt. At 2 weeks before that, a 40 people give statement against me on Black Road. So one boy will try to kill one next boy I want him to double murder. Say me plant the weapon upon him. 40 people and a PMP people them that. And a PMP community be born and grow. 40. And look here, we're not on a system. We're not on a system. We're not on a system to send them people to prison when them tell lie upon people and them thing there. You understand? And I saw a PMP have a people them.
So me ask you, is it the fact that the PNP was in power so long that they shaped the face of Jamaica society? Is it that the case?
Yes, man. Because they want a criminal society. Look here, the PNP is not a political party, you know. Any political party that is there defending criminal is not there for the people. Who you notice the PNP always defend. All right, all right. So before people I get parole for murder, did you know that right up to when Edward Seaga limit office, if you kill a man, if you even thump him down and him dead, a murder, you got a prison, you go on death row. I PMP change that. Who you think? Alright, you see just like how you see PMP take the government to court and all of them things for state of emergency. And that them do when Edward Seaga prime minister and them care Jamaica government got the privy council, you know, for one thing named Pratt Morgan, you know. For two PMP murder right now, kill people in a 80 election, you know. For you know, and them PG Patterson and Michael man, you know, and them spend money and carry the Jamaican government guy privy council, you know, and I saw them art hanging, you know. Them I say you can't. The same white people them in England, you understand? Cause them you know, them not care about black people, you know. Anything for destroy we, you know. Them will give you the medicine for destroy ourselves. You understand? Them I say you can't hang people after 5 years, so them need upon death row for more than 5 years. So I saw them, and you know, so them come out though. One of them they did kill them after them come out. Cause remember, you know, when they kill people and them things, and them family now go forget, you know. And them friend, you know. You understand? Pratt Morgan. Them come from Central Village, 2 PMP gunman. I PMP carry the government of Jamaica. And them coming up and them never hang a single person. And them water down everything. You understand? And them give we clansman gang. The PMP are rarest thing we ever to Jamaica. Michael Manley is Satan, just like Trevor Mano, DK Duncan, Lambert Brown and the whole of them. KD Knight, the whole of them are terrorists. Them they love Jamaican people. If you have to kill your brother and sister for maintain power, you're not good somebody. Ideas you're supposed to use. Edward Seaga, you know, never send one single black man, you know. Got Cuba, got trained for killing a Jamaican, you know. You understand? Edward Seaga never have any welcome home party for a Jamaican where it wanted. 99.9% of people that were the most wanted men in the 1980s are PMP gunman them. And 2 of them, the PMP send them to Cuba that I brother named Paul Burke. Angela Brownberg for her husband. Him was a logistic man. Me not ask you, I tell you that. My family come from East Kingston. Me have some of them still live out there. Them are Corrosion. My family used to live at Warwick Isle. We used to go up there and them thing there. So when me attack on them thing there, personal experience me attack for. Me no want the youth them. Me not talk to people them in my age, you know. Cause some of them you can't call them a dummy, you know. And man will rape all them data and then we collect money and make it slide. Me ain't not that. You understand? The justice system of Jamaica, and you can't even trust it because remember say it's all about the brown paper bag. Them destroy the people, them man.
It's all about the money.
Yeah. So as I tell you the brother when you Spy Robinson. Yeah.
One of the times, me hear you that mention say Buju Banton.
Mm-hmm.
Involved in a this guy kill him.
Sebastian.
Yeah, me I try remember the guy name, you know.
Who you at? Gilly Priest or Sebastian?
The guy named Sebastian, man.
Yes, man.
I want one it in the have one nice song, you know. And me I try to remember him, but when you bring it up the other day, me I say, but how we support that? Know these stuff.
Because I talk to him sister, you know, him sister is on the channel, you know, she tell you everything what her brother told her.
Then all of these police know and these criminal walking.
Well, you have to understand still, you know, some things are just allegation and evidence to go in a court and prove. You understand?
But Mr. Porter, if it's not evident and it's just allegations, you think it's correct for somebody like yourself, a media person, to put it out in the manner that it went out, like it's fact?
Yes.
The way you sounding like it was like it really happened, like that's what happened.
Yes, man, that's what really happened. All right, may I tell you this now as a detective and them thing there. All right, I was talking with a police, a farmer detective and them thing there. I may I tell you something now about a brother when he beat it. The man with them kill, the man with cool breeze and muscle in that Canada and PMP them send him there. You know. In the charge illegal possession of firearm and them thing. The police lock him up, you know. Well, lock up muscle. If him did do him supposed to do rifle bitty and one the British should have alive to them. Maybe not one the British, but you understand. So the thing so the thing is that now with these people when they come on to you're sharing the information with the public. So Bitty the killer woman here, Opie used to sell right beside Mustard Seed. Opie have a son named we all Corro's name again. She did have one son. Me not think them all Corro's than them thing now. August, in name August, our son named August. He used to give all the trouble. August related to one Dan. He must not bad man, but my Dan named Pulpy. So August used to rob and run through Fidel Close, that our civil right guard will Bitty there. So Bitty tell them say him if you come through there and them thing there and anyway them did kill Bitty them did kill him. That a female that don't open she make all kind of nice because she a corrosive, you know. So Bitty kill she. Anyway, you know, get the information and them thing there as detective or you know, because people see and them thing there, you know, and people tell you. But them not give them. This is because they're not related to open. Them not tell it. Them not give nothing on the paper. They not give a statement on them thing there for you for going to court. Because people say, when me I go risk my life for people where them are criminal and it have nothing to do with me. But them will tell you as a detective because them know say when them tell you that it stay with you. So anyway, so based on the information and them thing there, you have to question the person where do the shooting. So a police and named Cowboy you know. Most Jamaican know him. So in time when you know people see him, there's a civil right here and as Bitty driving them call me and tell me say him coming on me support and I go around them and three police. Man three other police. So we go on there, I hold upon him, a whole heap of crowd that come down and them thing there. Him tell him say boy, I wanna do and the back off on them thing there. But the people them know the kind of person I am, you know. Like people them on a civil right here. So I hold upon him and them thing there. So Bitty have a cousin now named Raymond, them call him Go West. See most of them kill him. So all of them, when they hold on upon him and them tell the people them to behave themselves and back off. Because you know them come on because them ready for defend it down, you know. So if him Bitty tell them say, I want to back off and behave on yourself and so they never come down upon way of them things. Because they know the kind of police music, because them now go take him from me, you know. Because you understand. Because me had different police and them things. Any of them try to take him from it, them know say people are going to departure long. Because some mistake. Because you're not going to take my prisoner. Anyway, so came around to me and detain him and them thing there. Big police now, I tell you something and them thing there. Cowboy, so him call me now in my office. But you know, it's when a man a criminal and them thing there. And them used to dealing with criminal police. Them no remember say and everybody are a criminal. So him now tell me now say boy, ask me if me have all of the thing them for charge him with the murder. So I tell him say no only have the information and everything. I try how I can navigate this thing so I can get to charge him. Forget something concrete. So him tell me now, say boy, here now. Boy, we can't eat a food in half 5 minutes. So I say, what you mean by that? I go on like me ignorant and them thing. So I tell me, say boy, him can write a statement and charge the boy with charge the boy with murder. And we get some money, because man call him already from foreign. Fee boy, you know. So I tell him, say no sir, if you want the case me get, because me not go do that. And then me tell him, say boy, me tell him, say, boy, if you got who you talk to, you know, me I talk to, you know, and other detective, you know. Because you know, say me know that. So him know, because him is alone my police, him have this criminal mindset. Him feels that everybody a criminal like him now. So him would have get somebody write a statement for place bit upon the murder scene for charge him. And the case would have go on and them get money and them thing there. But me know them something I do with blood money. Me don't want that. You understand?
Yeah.
You know,
I heard you mention the other day to Mr. Porter. In one of the videos, them you was mentioning Mr. Mark Shield and your encounter with him.
Yeah, man.
Me never did know Mr. Mark Shield come to Jamaica come get corrupt.
So let me tell you something on them thing there. May I say this? May I say this publicly on them thing there? So let me tell you something on them thing there. I spoke with a man from up in a Stone Hill where him claim say him give Mark Shields. Him claim say him give Mark Shields allegedly give him $14 million. A Jamaican drugs dealer. Somebody were connected to the man and them thing there. I don't know. That's how them say now.
I was in shock the other day when you mentioned that Mark Shields make you have to run left Jamaica. I said wait.
No, he make me run left Jamaica and them thing there. That I look here. A Mark Shields out me as an informer, you know.
Yeah, that's the story we made a listen like.
Yeah, man. I seven another detective of a runner because of Mark Shields, you know. 7, you know. For the police on the cowboy, the same cowboy, you know. Yeah, right now you have one eye police. Me now go talk with them. Are still police. Me now go talk with them man and woman. Them not talk to me and them thing there. Because them trust me so much. And because of me, them have to run away. Because they share information with me. And guess what now? Here now. You see the brother when him Cliff Hughes. Although you hear me say nationwide, that one I best. You understand? Because Mark Shields' wife, you know, Emily Shields used to work on nationwide. So some of the information some of the evidence them did that nationwide. Because me give Cliff Hughes the information them. You understand? That's it. Come on, yeah, man. So we in a problem. We in a trouble and them thing. Some people I say, boy.
That's what I'm saying.
Some people.
There's no way we can come out of this corruption. Jamaica.
Yeah. Well, look here. We can, you know. There's always a light at the end of the dark tunnel. And look here. As we say, one of them is a little bit better than the other. We can see right now. Where the Prime Minister he might try. Me not tell a lie still doing it. Me not say he my best things. He might understand. He might not Edward Seaga. You understand? Because Edward Seaga is total different. Edward Seaga was like a dictator, you know. Because him not take prisoner, you know. You understand? So we have to give him credit. You know, let me tell you still, the only thing with the Prime Minister, in me see him as somebody who naive and him thing. And the people that were around him, they advise him, they're a criminal. Because the thing is that now, last year the PMP, you know, Baby Trump, Peter Bunting, and one boy named Tiliba, that are one drugs dealer from Clarendon, you know. Bring a boy from 80, you know. Then bring this boy from 80 to come kill the Prime Minister, you know. At Jamaica, you know.
Yeah, you mentioned that for one of your blog there.
One boy named Guy Philip, you know. And me make them hear, the Jamaican people make them hear the boy. All the boy that call all my name, you know. If you listen to, you know, I talk about the Jamaica young police and them thing there. And some people I wonder how me get the recording. Me not gonna tell nobody how me get that and them thing there. You understand what I'm saying? So you have to see who are the enemy of Jamaican people. If you don't see it and if you don't understand who are your enemy, you're not gonna know who are your friend. You understand?
Passport for work to yard, you know, not me no socialize, you know.
No, you can't do that at Jamaica. You don't know who's looking you
paranoid, man.
Well, you have to paranoid because them create the society like that. You understand? You have to know your enemy and everything. The big Jamaican people biggest enemy right now are PNP criminal organization. I'm gonna say it without any apologies. The only thing the PNP know for do is breed criminals. Like chinks. That's all them there. Look, Donovan Bulby Bennett. Jamaican people are dummy, you know. When the man is most wanted man of Jamaica, him get a which way you ever hear that in our world? A man wanted, the most wanted man in our country, get government contract. You ever hear nothing like that? Or the government will look for a man, give the same man a contract. Make that make sense to me, no?
True, man. It's really corrupt in the eyesight.
Oh, no, but the people then they make excuse everything because them love the criminality, you know. Hey, look here, let me tell you still. You see, Jamaican people, them love leaders who are criminals. Look one PJ parties. When the people them vote for PJ parties in 1993, them telling me in my early 20s, I say, no man, them people are some sick people. This is one of the biggest thief we ever have since independence. And I say, when Michael Manley discard you, say you're a thief, you know, say you must be one of the rarest thief. Because Michael Manley is not a thief, you know. I'm not a rich man, you know. Michael Manley never plunder thief from the people's coffers, you know. And he never corrupt them really, but his corruption was corrupting the people's mind to destroy each other. You understand? Film corruption different. But my PJ parties like thief in his prime minister we have. And you say people them vote for him. Even after the 1999 gas riot, they still vote for him same way. And most the PNP rise up against him, you know, when them do it, you know. You understand? And guess what?
That's what I say. That's what I did say to somebody, you know, said that riot or that protest was the only protest I can remember Jamaica ever stand up for. And I guess, just because it bother the upper class them, so you understand me?
Yeah, but and the upper class and them get the same poor people for rile up for them. But we must say poor people them are dummy. Because all of them see say boy them ban PNP and them thing and then I say them are Jamaican.
Yeah, that is the thing I mean like but people in a Jamaica.
Yeah,
me a PNP, me a labor right.
No,
Jamaican.
No, them not see themselves as that, then why you think for sure you them stay you know. Alright. I don't know if you hear about the brother when he ugly some. So you know the brother that in Canada when he ugly some. You know
so man, have one channel where
I feel like
you war too.
No man, he might war with himself. He might dummy man. Yeah, me just know how to get him upset and them thing. Make him come out and start cuss. Cause he might dummy. You notice me not answer him. I always say things and him always answer.
You feel the test 9 times.
7 times. Then you say that when name Rattigan and Francis and one next brother, that them say and them thing and them tell him say him fi wrong to talk to film people them and them thing there. And him that he know say insult them and insult him, you know. Cause them say actually them say if him feel the police test 7 times, then can't make him come in a room sure them go talk to the people them are educated. So him have to talk to the illiterate and the ignoramus them, you know, the low IQ people them. So him that he knows say insult them and insult him, you know. And then after that no one them thing them say, oh, them say we ain't dunce. You understand? But me you know that long time cause at 7 times him feel police test, him dunce, you know, and I biggest informer.
So what started up him coming at you again?
Well,
when did it start?
Him did file a lawsuit on behalf of a PNP criminal organization. So him right, look, this is what him do now. Him right for the lawsuit say him live in Florida. Them time they Canada him live in. I mean make the world know say him live in Canada, you know. So him live in Florida. Cause I can't tell you all the business. Cause him register a business when him have a Canada register as a non-profit business. I have all him address and everything. You understand? So the thing is that now what him do? Him file a lawsuit now say the commissioner of police that the labor right brother named Major Anthony Anderson. So him and the police and all kind of thing and me agree with him. And I say boy at least him better than the Police Officers Association and the Federation cause him you understand? So me I give him some look here now, so me I give him some advice on them thing and I say well me I tell him the points them it depend on the video, it depend on the channel and me I tell him some points where him should I use say boy the man a certify is not a certified law enforcement officer. He never go to Jamaican Police Academy, man, a police certification. And you can't turn a man in a soldier in a police. That means basically what Jamaica is saying to the people them. You can't take the man, the groundsman at the University of the West Indies and turn him into the chief surgeon and him not a qualification because just because you can do it. So may I give him some pointers and them thing there. Then I say wait, how can I brother this and all them thing there plait up him ear and them thing there? Why him not know what him found them thing there? Cause them thing there kind of feminine thing still doing it. Cause the man is supposed to plait up them ear. Plait up ear and them thing there. Plait up ear and them thing there were back in a slavery where our ancestors, the women them that who in a background master house, them would have used them ear as signal of as a form of intelligence. So I say what kind of intelligence him could have used with film ear. So I hit him vexed about now and them thing there. I just started everything when I say now positive and I just say what kind of man this and them thing there about him plait up ear and them thing there. You understand? And I say wish.
This is a program all the time, brother. I tell you, all of them interesting.
Well, thanks,
all
man.
of your program, you know, I listening since the Corona time.
Yeah.
At that time, you must come. Yeah, say, you know, I want against the PNP them mainly. You know, so when time me look back in our history, me kind of pick up where I say, you know, and thing, you know. But me did just have one thing wrong one time.
Yeah.
And me I say, me did check say,
Siaga
Siaga did a work with the CIA for mash up Jamaica government, which was the PNP.
No, man.
But I guess the PNP cast it for themselves when we reach back history because they may go over to Cuba. And America never liked that. I guess that's why them support Siaga in the 1980s election.
1980, yeah. Well, look here. If I never Edward Siaga, Jamaica would be like Cuba. We wouldn't have no rights. You see, just like how people them are Cuba and no rights, and the government can turn off the internet. Jamaican government can't turn off the internet and them things because it's a democratic society and a government control the economy. So like how when you hear some little idiot I tell you about price of this iron, this and that, I see in PNP them do that and them liberalize the economy. Government now no control, them can't control prices. We don't live in a communist state where government control everything. You understand?
Explain that for me.
What?
You just said the PNP do what to the economy, liberalize it.
Yeah, man. Make it become a free market and them thing there. So you understand? So that's why when they talk about cost of living and the government can't control, the government has no control over prices where you pay for goods and service. I see him entrepreneur. Rich people, look here. Rich people don't love poor people, you know. Rich people is only there for take money from the poor to get rich, you know.
Porter, me know that.
Okay.
Me know that. Me there Jamaica, my open to everything, you know, brother.
But most Jamaican
people them don't live on them.
No, man, rich people don't care. Why you think rich people care about the poor? Alright, look here. You see, the same baby Trump, Mark Golding. You think any boy from down a jungle can talk to any female daughter them? Them him don't want them round them, you know, cause him don't know so them are carousing and them thing there. Where you go with them? You understand? We are the most hated people, you know, but we love the people them. Yeah, so we have come to the end of part 3 of this 4-part series. You know why the PNP criminal organization is absent, yeah, man, from the, you know, sharing, you know, giving the people them some comfort, what they would do different, what kind of laws they would enact if they would resume hanging. Crickets, they're not going to do that because they are the one that most Jamaicans don't know that the PNP is the one that took the government to court when Edward Siaga was Prime Minister. So them use the court for all these a fight for criminals. We are going to show you that. Yeah, boy, I may tell us between me and him thing that it seemed like I should have been doing this thing like, you know, from YouTube start. You understand? To educate the people them and make them know who are the real enemies in Jamaica. Because when you get a man gun to kill people because of vote, you want numbers. You don't love the people. You're enemy of people. But black people don't see that. Because them licky. You understand? And say a man born in England, but say my yard man born in Jamaica. Where your birth certificate? You know born nowhere. And then you have some fool, you know, about boy, you know him a lie. All of them things there is lies. You understand? So you can't allow yourself to get bamboozled. So We come to the end of part 3. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.